show you how I make my letter sets at home, and you can do this for your own small business, make them as gifts for your friends, or just for fun. If you've never heard of a letter set, it's a stationery bundle, usually with letter writing paper, envelopes, and sometimes comes with stickers, seals, and note cards. Alright, let's get started with all the things you'll need, and everything will be linked in the description of the video. First, you'll need paper to print out the letter writing pages, as well as these belly bands. You'll also need sticker paper for the sticker sheet that comes in each set. I have 3 different types of sticker paper that I've used. I also have a paper cutter, envelopes, and clear bags to package everything nicely, and some tape. Of course, you'll need a printer, cutter, and in my case, it's a Cricut machine, and my iPad is what I use to draw my designs. The first thing you want to do is come up with the design. You can make your own designs, or you can search up some things that you already like characters, and put them together on a page. What I'm going to show you right now is the sizes that you'll need for the letter set so that you know how to format it on whatever program you're going to use. Personally, myself, I like to use Procreate on my iPad. It's what I use to draw all of my designs. You're going to start with a 5x7 inch canvas, then add a color for the background. I usually like to just choose one to make it simple for myself. Then you can add in your drawings or designs. And lastly, make sure to add your lines in because it makes it easier for people to write on. Once that's done, I like to put the 5x7 on a 8.5x11 inch page because that is the size of a regular sized page of paper. So now you can put 2 of them side by side each other just like this. I like to give a little bit of space in the middle of each design so it's easier to cut out later. For those of you that don't have a printer yet, I would recommend the Epson EcoTank ET2850. I have had this printer for a very long time, and I use it for a majority of the time that I've had my small business, which is 5 years now. So again, it does save on a lot of ink. It doesn't waste a lot of cartridges because it uses ink bottles instead, which makes it even more eco-friendly. And if you get the settings right, then the print quality is really great. Once it's printed, you're gonna take your paper cutter and stack 4 pages so that you end up with 8 letter writing pages in the end. This is how many we will have in each letter set. You don't want to cut it exactly at the edge because you might have a white line, and we don't want those extra white lines. So make sure to give it a little bit of margin such that if there's a little bit that cuts off of that color, then it's totally fine and it will turn out something like this. This next step is optional, but you can also add a sticker sheet. You definitely don't need it since just the writing pages and envelopes already make a great letter set, but adding a small sticker sheet is always a fun touch because a lot of people love using them to decorate their letters or even seal and decorate the envelopes. As I mentioned earlier, there are 3 different types of sticker paper I've used to make sticker sheets. All 3 are from online labels and I have them linked in the description. This one is if you prefer glossy stickers. These ones are weatherproof matte sticker paper, and the last one is regular white sticker paper, which is the cheapest one of the 3. I myself use the weatherproof matte stickers for all of my letter sets, but the choice is yours on what you prefer. Okay, it's time to print out some sticker sheets. I uploaded my design onto Cricut and added a layer of only the sticker designs. The back layers are just the parts that won't be cut, like the title, my website, and they're in the shape of a rectangle with a size of 3.25 by 4.25 inches, and you should be able to fit 4 sticker sheets into one printout. By the way, I have the Cricut Explore Air 2, which I know is the older version, but mine has been working really well for a very long time now, so these are the settings that I use to cut out my sticker sheets. I have the sticker sheet. This is one of the last steps before we put everything together. Now that my Cricut has cut everything out, you'll just need to peel them off the mat. Make sure to test and check that the sticker is easy to peel, and if it is, then you're good to go. Here's another optional thing you do not have to do, which is making what they call belly bands, which is just a strip of paper that holds everything together, and it does take extra work. But if you are planning on selling these letter sets in a shop or in your own online shop, I think it's a cute extra touch. I'm going to go through this one quickly because again, it's optional, but I cut them up into these little pieces that you're going to put around all your products. So here's the fun and easy part. I usually like to do this when I'm watching a movie or just watching a TV show. I like to put them into piles so it's easier to package together. For me, one letter writing set has 8 letter writing pages, 4 envelopes, 1 sticker sheet, and a belly band, and then all of it goes into an eco clear bag. Again, this is a great gift, especially for like a birthday or even the holidays that you can give to your friends, or if you want to use the letter set for yourself and write letters to your friends or even a pen pal, I think that's great too. Lastly, if you are a business owner, here's how I would display them for live streaming, pop-ups, or even selling them in a store. I put them up on a display like this so that customers can see multiple letter sets that I have. Sometimes I even add some of my stickers on the bottom so they can see even more variety. By the way, if you really like this DIY project, I also have another one for you, which is how to put together greeting cards. Again, great for the holidays, great for your online store, or for your small business. I have the video all ready for you to watch, and it's right here. Make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time.